Successful people use the one-page business plan over and over again as a recurring planning instrument for proposals, marketing, performance, and project planning. However, we believe the strength of the plan is in the constant use of it. Once people get accustomed to a certain planning process, it can be used over and over again, creating a large amount of clarity through an organization. And in today's world, there is not anything that we compete on more than clarity. In this video, we are going to share 7 quick steps on how to write a one-page business plan for your startup. Step 1. Write your goals and vision statement. Goal setting is one of the most powerful success technique for every entrepreneur. Whether it's for your business, personal relationships, health, or finances, goals are powerful motivators. They build self-confidence because they give you a way to measure your progress and take pride in your achievements. Setting goals also raises your self-confidence as you recognize your ability and competencies to achieve specific goals that you have set. Step 2. Write about your targeted audience. Who is your targeted audience? The question may seem basic, but your target audience should be the foundation for any marketing strategy. Considering the few questions will help you narrow down your focus in order to keep your marketing campaign specific. 1. Are you targeting business to business or business to consumer? 2. What is the age group of your target audience? 3. Does the majority of your target audience live in rural or urban areas? 4. What is the income range of your target audience? 5. What is your audience's ethnicity? 6. Is your target audience predominantly male or female? Also, you need to include, what does your audience want? This question can only be answered after you have discovered who your audience is. Different people want different things, so finding out what's important to your target audience will help you negate which offers to promote and how. Social media is also a great avenue to explore when discovering your target audience. Social media provides insight on what content your users respond to, as well as revealing their age, gender, geographical region, ethnicity, and their active usage times. Step 3. Write unique selling proposition. Why should people buy from you and not from anybody else? The unique selling proposition is a kind of resume, but instead of presenting your education, knowledge, experience, and accomplishments, you focus more on the way these facts will help you and especially your customers. You don't have to make it public, but it's very important to have it, as it offers you huge benefits. USP shows your weak areas where you need to make adjustments, and once you solve these problems, it reminds you of the quality you provide your customers with, and it gives you valuable content for the materials you need for marketing, advertising, and sales campaigns. Basic rules for a USP. 1. It must be something that you know is true and you believe in it. 2. It should create some form of emotion in the reader. 3. It must communicate instantly just what the USP is about. 4. It should be specific. 5. It should be concise. 6. It should have real meaning. 7. An important note: a unique selling proposition does not mean a permanent unique selling proposition. Always have something up your sleeve to offer your customers, and that way you will have the leader's advantage and have something to release in response to a competitor's latest move. Step 4. Write marketing strategies. There are many types of strategies to promote your company products or services. A marketing strategy is an approach to market or promote the business products or services to confirm transactions that will keep the company viable. There are basically 8 types of strategy you can consider for your business. 1. Paid advertising. 2. Cause marketing. 3. Relationship marketing. 4. Undercover marketing. 5. Word of mouth. 6. Internet marketing. 7. Transactional marketing. 8. Diversity marketing. You can find many marketing strategies by searching online blogs and videos. Step 5. Write product operational and management tasks. What is an operations plan? In short, it lays out the who, what, when, and how of your daily operations over the course of the next year. On a day-to-day basis, your operations plan will answer questions like 1. Who should be working on what? 2. How will we allocate resources on a given task? 3. What risks do we face at present? 4. How can we mitigate those risks? Also, you have to focus on all management tasks for your business, like 1. Coaching. 2. Forecasting the future. 3. Motivating employees. 4. Organizing. 5. Staffing and controlling. 6. Internal and external negotiations. 7. Delegation. 8. Help your employees improve and succeed with development plans. 9. Implement pay for performance to reward good performance. 10. Improving and maintaining efficiency. Step 6. Write strengths and weaknesses. No person in this world is perfect. Everyone has his or her own strengths and weaknesses. The person who is aware of his or her strengths and weakness is always more likely to succeed. To know your strengths and weaknesses, you need to perform 7 tasks. 1. Back up your assumptions. 2. Collect quantifiable data about your sales trends, customer base, and employee retention. 3. Compare yourself with competitors. Look at your products, vendors, customer base, employees, internal processes, and location, and compare these factors with your competitors. 4. Seek an objective opinion and write down how you can improve your weaknesses. 5. Review actual financial results like profit and loss statements. 6. Compare performance to industry averages. 7. Notice competitors' complaints. To determine what your strengths are as an organization, you could begin by asking some of the following questions. 1. What do your customers love about your company or product? 2. What does your company do better than other companies in your industry? 3. What are your most positive brand attributes? 4. What's your unique selling proposition? 5. What resources do you have at your disposal that your competitors do not? Also, ask 7 questions to determine your company's weaknesses. 1. What do your customers dislike about your company or products? 2. What problems or complaints are often mentioned in your negative reviews? 3. Why do your customers cancel or churn? 4. What could your company do better? 5. What are your most negative brand attributes? 6. What are the biggest obstacles or challenges in your current sales funnel? 7. What resources do your competitors have that you do not? Step 7. Write business objectives. To write one-page business plan, businesses need to have a clear objective that outlines their approach for carrying out the daily running of the business. This ensures that they stay on the right track business-wise, and at the end of the day, it also goes a long way to increase the amount of revenue made. First, answer some questions like, what results will you measure? What did your gross in sales last year? What do you want to achieve for sales this year? What other goals do you have for your business? Don't have goals yet? Getting very focused and specific is a key ingredient to your success. Prioritize them and clearly state them. To write business objectives, you need to focus on these 10 things. 1. Getting and staying profitable. 2. Productivity of people and resources. 3. Excellent customer service. 4. Employee attraction and retention. 5. Mission-driven core values. 6. Sustainable growth. 7. Maintaining a healthy cash flow. 8. Dealing with change. 9. Reaching the right customers. 10. Staying ahead of the competition. Try to work a plan that is action-oriented, that is goals-focused, that is top of mind every day. Working your business in this way increases the potential for your short-term and longer-term success. And don't let that plan become static. Make it a living, breathing organism. Let it encourage you to improve it, update it, and enhance it as you move on your road to success. Having a business plan is one of the most important steps a firm might take in order to keep track of the present performance and sketching out what the company needs to achieve in the future. Business plans can help a firm create a mission statement and then follow it until they stand on a firm foundation and years of experience. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. If you have any questions on writing a one-page business plan, then do not forget to ask your questions in comment box. Thanks for spending time on this video.